Did you know that in arbitration, a unilateral appointment of an arbitrator can actually be challenged? Here's a recent ruling from the Delhi High Court that sheds light on this crucial legal issue. In a case, the Delhi High Court ruled that an arbitrator's mandate can be terminated if they were appointed unilaterally, violating the Arbitration and Conciliation Act of 1996. According to Section 12(5) of the Arbitration Act, unilateral appointments are prohibited unless the ineligibility is waived by both parties through a written agreement, and that did not happen here. One party argued that the other party appointed an arbitrator without their consent, which violated the act. They claimed the appointment was made by someone with a vested interest in the outcome of the case. The respondent, on the other hand, argued that the parties' participation in the proceedings meant they had accepted the arbitrator, but the court disagreed. The court stated that merely participating in the arbitration proceedings does not mean you waived your right to object to the arbitrator's appointment. It needs to be an explicit written waiver after the dispute has arisen. Referencing key Supreme Court rulings, the Delhi High Court emphasized that independence and impartiality are fundamental to arbitration. If an arbitrator is ineligible, their appointment is void from the start. Ultimately, the court terminated the arbitrator's mandate, highlighting the importance of fair and impartial arbitration processes. So, remember, in arbitration, unilateral decisions aren't just a bad practice. They're illegal unless both parties agree in writing. Stay informed. Follow for more legal insights and updates. To read the judgment in detail, please go to our website www.livelaw.in and check out the arbitration section. If you find the video useful, please like and share. For daily news and legal explainers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.